In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your website on Weebly. Whether you're starting your first website or looking to expand your online presence with additional sites, Weebly makes it incredibly straightforward. So let's dive in and get you up and running in no time. When you first create your Weebly account, the platform guides you through the steps needed to build your inaugural site. It's a user-friendly process designed to get you acquainted with the basics. Once you're familiar with this setup and you feel ready to venture into creating more websites, the process is just as simple. Just look toward the top left corner of the page. You'll find the Weebly icon. Clicking on this icon helps take you to the site's main dashboard. Once you're on that dashboard, cast your eyes to the top right corner where you'll see the current site's name proudly displayed. Click on this site name, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the Add Site option. This step allows you to initiate the process of creating a brand new site. After selecting Add Site, you'll undergo the same creation process that you experienced initially. Here, you'll start by deciding if your site will feature an online store or not. This is an important decision, as having an online store opens up possibilities for e-commerce directly on your website. If selling products isn't in your plan, choosing No will keep things simple and focused. Next comes the exciting part, selecting a template for your website. Weebly offers a variety of templates to suit almost any need, whether you're building a personal blog, a professional portfolio, or a small business site. Choose the one that best fits the vision you have for your website. A template serves as the visual framework, guiding the overall aesthetic and function of your site. Once you've picked the ideal template, Weebly will take you to the website editor. This is your creative playground where you can start customizing and editing everything to your liking. You can easily change text, images, layouts, and more to make your website unique and reflective of your brand or personal style. The editor is designed with drag and drop functionality, making it accessible even if you're not particularly tech savvy. Explore the options, experiment with different designs, and start building a site that truly stands out. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you can create and personalize your very own website on Weebly. Whether you're launching a simple blog or a full-fledged online shop, Weebly provides the tools you need to succeed in the digital space. Thank you for watching, and happy building.